Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What is up guys, Agent Styles here from Agent Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove anything or object from any photo using Adobe Photoshop CS6. So let's get started. Open a photo which included that object you want to remove. So when you open it, now click on your rectangular marquee tool. Now I'll remove this logo, this text, and this text. Now select any logo or object you want to remove. Now press right click and click on Fill. Now select Content Area. From Use, make sure the opacity is 100% and Mood is normal. Then click OK. Now I'll do the same thing with the other text. Now as you guys can see, we have removed all the logos and text. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.